हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू करियर जॉकी। 12th हो गई है, एंट्रेंस भी दे दी है और अब कंफ्यूज हो कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी चूज करे। बिकॉज लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, आजकल हर यूनिवर्सिटी अपने आप को बेस्ट बोलती है। कोई प्लेसमेंट की बात कर रहा है, कोई रैंकिंग की, तो कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। बट एज अ स्टूडेंट आपको सिर्फ एडवर्टाइजमेंट ही नहीं बल्कि आपको रियलिटी जाननी होती है। सो इफ ग्राफिक एरा इज इन योर शॉर्टलिस्ट, देन दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू। हाय एवरीवन, welcome to Career Jockey. I am Fatima and today we are going to explore Graphic Era University. From its ranking to placement, courses, online program, fee structure, scholarship and many more. So let's get started. So Graphic Era was established in 1993 under the leadership of Dr. Kamal Ghanshala. What started in a small institute gradually transformed into the most famous educational brand in Uttarakhand. In 2008, it was recognized as a deemed to be university, and since then the growth has been quite impressive. Later, they introduced the Hill campus for students of Uttarakhand. Also, they have two more campuses of Hill University, which is in Bhimtal and Haldwani. The Hill campus was established for the students who are from Uttarakhand, and also they can get up to 25% of scholarship on the tuition fees. Also, if we talk about the location of Dehradun campus, then it is 4 kilometers from ISBT, 8 kilometers from railway station and 25 kilometers from Dehradun airport. आज ग्राफिक एरा में आपको स्टूडेंट सिर्फ उत्तराखंड से ही नहीं बल्कि आपको ऑल ओवर इंडिया के अलग अलग स्टेट्स और इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स आपको देखने को मिलेंगे, विच क्रिएट अ डाइवर्स क्राउड हियर। तो अगर हम बात करें रैंकिंग एंड एक्रेडिटेशंस के बारे में, बिफोर टेकिंग एडमिशन इन एनी यूनिवर्सिटी, रैंकिंग एंड एक्रेडिटेशन मैटर्स अ लॉट। सो ग्राफिक एरा इज रैंक A+ यूनिवर्सिटी, ऑल्सो UGC अप्रूव्ड। ये एक्रेडिटेशन शो करती है यूनिवर्सिटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, एकेडमिक्स और क्वालिटी पर काफी ज्यादा फोकस करती है। ग्राफिक एरा हैज ऑल्सो गेन अ स्ट्रॉन्ग नेशनल रैंकिंग्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट। अब हम बात करते हैं कोर्सेज की। So Graphic Era isn't just limited with one stream. Whether you are interested in engineering, management, law, pharmacy, you'll find a wide range of courses here. From BTech, BCA, BBA, BCom, these all are the undergraduate programs. MBA, MCA, MSc, MTech. So these are the postgraduate programs. So you get a plenty of options here. College life isn't only about academics, but at Graphic Era, students can also participate technical fest, hackathons, coding competitions, cultural festivals, entrepreneurship events, sports events, also in music and dance events. यानी opportunities की कमी ही नहीं है if you want to build your skill beyond the classrooms. अब हम बात करते हैं scholarship. Another reason why students consider Graphic Era because they have a wide range of scholarship available here. So this year Graphic Era has introduced GSET exam, which is known as Graphic Era Common Entrance Test. So अगर मैं इस टेस्ट की बात करूँ, here you can get up to 50% of scholarship according to your performance in the test. So ये मैं प्रोसेस आपको समझाती हूँ, इसमें आपको क्या करना है। Once you are done with your registration complete होने के बाद काउंसलर आपको सैम्पल पेपर शेयर करेगी। अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट सैम्पल पेपर यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द टेस्ट। आपका जब टेस्ट होने वाला होगा उससे 2 दिन पहले आपको एक मेल आएगा रिगार्डिंग द टेस्ट, रिगार्डिंग द टाइम एंड डेट, ऑल्सो डिटेल्स अबाउट इट। देन लेटर यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू इट। एज आई सेड, इसमें आपको अप टू 50% तक का स्कॉलरशिप मिलता है। तो आई वुड सजेस्ट अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करो और GSET स्कॉलरशिप अवेल करो। Apart from GSET, you can also avail Merit Scholarship, Girl Child Scholarship, Defense Scholarship and Hill Area Scholarship, which is only available at Hill campus. 25% of discount on your tuition fee if you have the Uttarakhand domicile. Now come the most awaited topic, that's placements. Graphic Era has a strong placement reputation in engineering, computer application programs and in management. The university conducts soft skills training session, placement preparation activities, mock interviews, aptitude tests during the course. According to the recent placement report, Graphic Era hold the higher package of 60 LPA and the average package of between 8 to 9 LPA. The average package varies according to your courses and branches, but if we talk about the technical program, so they perform really well in placement. Also, computer science remains one of the strong placement domain in the university. Also, अब हम बात करते हैं top recruiters. Some of the very well-known companies has visited the Graphic Era University every year. So they have Microsoft, Amazon, TCS, Adobe, Google, IBM, Capgemini, PayPal, and many more. This clearly reflects the university has a strong connectivity with industries. ROI key. At the end of the day, students want the value of investment. And that's where Graphic Era managed to attract the large number of aspirants. So now, who should consider Graphic Era University? If you are someone looking for NAC A+ accredited, good academics, good placement opportunities, UGC approved, modern infrastructure, hostel facilities, active campus life, diverse student crowd option, then Graphic Era can be a definitely great option for you. If you want any help related to admission, scholarship, fees, and career counseling, then please connect us on www.careerjockey.in. Also, you can give us a call on given phone number. And I'm Fatima, you're watching Career Jockey, your career, our guidance. Thank you.